Introducing the 2021 Seat Ibiza 1.0 TTI 110 HP FR 5-door in stunning red. This sleek hatchback packs a punch with a 1-litre engine, manual transmission and luxury trim. The list of features is endless. From air conditioning to emergency call, this car has it all. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can make this impressive 2021 Seat Ibiza yours today.